Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Professor Rajendra Singh. I extend you warm welcome on our topic of today, research methodology. For the students who are pursuing PhD, research methodologies knowledge is quite imperative for them. So we will discuss research methodologies basics today. So let us start about research methodology, and we will start with the meaning and definition of research. Meaning of research. As I have mentioned here, research in common parlance refers to search for knowledge. We can also define research as a scientific and systematic research. We can also define research as a scientific and systematic search for pertinent information on a specific topic. It is an art of scientific investigation. I have highlighted three things here. Scientific and systematic search means research is about scientific carrying out a certain process which is scientific and systematic, and it is based on a specific topic. So it is an art of scientific investigation. According to according to Advanced Learner Dictionary, Learner's Dictionary, Dictionary of English, research is a careful investigation. Research is a careful investigation or inquiry specially through search for new facts, search for new facts, in any branch of knowledge. Knowledge, inverted commas close. According to Advanced Learner Dictionary, we are trying to understand that research is a careful investigation or inquiry specifically through search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. Here specifically we are doing a process for search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. Research is thus an original contribution to the existing stock of knowledge existing stock of knowledge making for its advancement. For its advancement. It is very clear, ladies and gentlemen, research is thus an original contribution to the existing stock of knowledge making for its advancement. When any researcher is doing research, he is making original contribution because in the process of doing research, they find out new facts and figures, and on the basis of that they try to make advancement on a specific topic. Research refers to the systematic methods consisting of enunciating, or we can say understanding the problem formulating a hypothesis collecting the facts or data Research refers to the systematic methods consisting of enunciating or understanding the problem, formulating a hypothesis, collecting the facts or data, analyzing the facts, and searching certain conclusion and searching certain conclusion either in the form of solution towards the concerned problem, towards the concerned problem towards the concerned problem or in certain generalizations for some theoretical formulation. Theoretical formulation. Ladies and gentlemen, it is very precise and systematic definition of research. Research refers to the systematic methods consisting of enunciating or understanding the problem, formulating a hypothesis, collecting the facts of data, analyzing the facts, and searching certain conclusion either in the form of solution towards the concerned problem or in certain generalization for some theoretical formulation. If we try to understand these few lines on research, you will understand that research follows a certain process. Certain process means in research a problem is formulated. Then on the basis of problem formulation we prepare some hypothesis. Then collection of data, collection of facts or data, analyzing those facts and data and searching certain conclusion. When we analyze the data or information in hand with some statistical tool or mathematics formulas, we try to derive some conclusions. We try to make some conclusion either in the form of solution towards the concerned problem. We try to find out the solution of the problem we had formulated earlier in certain generalization for some theoretical formulations. So I think it's a very precise meaning and definition of research. Okay, dear scholars, now we will try to understand what are the various objectives of research. So far we have gone through what is the meaning, definition or basic concepts of research. Now we will try to understand the objectives of research. Objectives of research. The purpose of research research is basically to discover something. The purpose of research is to discover is to find out answer, discover answers to questions through the application of through the application of scientific procedures procedures. The main aim of research the aim of research is to find out the truth which is hidden and which has not been discovered which has not been discovered as yet, or which has not been discovered so far. Though each research studies has its specific purpose following maybe the research objectives. Following maybe the research objectives. Now I will discuss the basic objectives of research one by one. So let me wipe out this. First objective is number one, to gain familiarity. Familiarity with a phenomenon, or to achieve new insights. Insights into it. Means first objective is to gain familiarity with new phenomena, with a new concept. We try to familiarize ourselves or to achieve new insight into it, and we try to get a new knowledge from it. And number two is to portray accurately accurately the characteristics of a particular individuals situation or a group. Second objective is we try to understand in a clear-cut way to portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual, situation, or a group. Means we are trying to understand the characteristics of an individual, any particular situation, or we want to know the characteristics of a certain group through this research. And number third objective is to determine the frequency determine the frequency with which something occurs or with which it is associated with something else to determine the frequency with which something occurs or with which it associated with something. Determine the frequency. How many times a certain thing is going to happen? We want to know with the fact. The fourth and last objective of research is to test a hypothesis of a causal relationship between variables Such studies are known as such studies are known as hypothesis testing research. Hypothesis testing research. Research studies. It is a type of research. It is a type of research that examines if there's a cause and effect relationship between two separate events. Two separate events. Causal research is also known as explanatory research. Causal research is also known as explanatory research. Dear scholars, you see, to test a hypothesis of a causal relationship between variables, such studies are known as hypothesis testing research studies. It is a type of research that examines if there is a cause and effect relationship between two separate events. Causal research is also known as explanatory research. This type of research basically examine if there is any relationship between cause and effects, and it basically explains what are the various causes of the research. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what are the various reasons or what are the various motivation factors for doing research? So let us try to understand for what are the various reasons maybe or what are the various motivation factors for doing research maybe for the researchers. Let us try to understand motivational factors of research. What makes people to undertake research? People to undertake research, or we can say in other words why people are doing research. Why people want to do research? Why people This is a question of fundamental importance. Fundamental importance. This is a question of fundamental importance, that why people are doing research. What are the various motivational factors? What are the various causes that people feel motivation of doing research? So we will try to understand some basic factors of basic motivational factors of research. Number one, desire to get a research degree. Desire to get a research degree. Get a research degree along with its consequential benefits. Consequential benefits. Number two, let me eliminate this because space is very less at the bottom. So I will eliminate this previous points. Desire to face the challenge. Desire to face the challenge. Challenge in solving the unsolved problem. The unsolved problem. That is concern over practical problems. Initiates research. Desire to get third point is desire to get intellectual joy. Desire to get intellectual joy. That intellectual joy of doing something creative work. Some people feel joy in intellectual joy in creating a new work. they feel motivation that they want to do a new things, they want to do a new work, they feel motivation with this factor. Fourth point, fourth motivational factor of research is, ladies and gentlemen, desire to be of service to society. Desire to be of service to society. Desire to get respectability. Respectability. However, this is not an exhaustive list of factors. This is not an exhaustive list of factors. Motivating people. It means these are not only the factors, there are many more factors that are motivating people for doing research. Many more factors such as directives of government, many more factors such as directives of government, employment conditions, curiosity, about new things, desire to understand causal relationship, desire to understand causal relationship, social thinking, social thinking, and awakening, awakening, motivate people, motivate people, to perform research operations. Research operations. So these are the a few motivational factors that usually motivate the researchers, research scholars to do the research. So, dear students, today we discussed in this lecture what are the basic concepts of research, meaning and definition of research, what are the various objectives of research, why the people do research, what are the various motivational factors of research, what are the things that motivate people to do research. We try to understand that some people do research for the ornamental degree, some people want to pursue the PhD because of they want to make their career in higher education, they want to become lecturers, assistant professors in the university and colleges, so they are willing to do research due to these various factors. So it was all for today's, ladies and gentlemen. If I can be of any further assistance for you, please note down my email, or if I can help you, note down my email address, that is rajendersingh.research@gmail.com. I will see you. Goodbye. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.